What is up, guys? John from Whitley Auto Works here, and I have a massive spray gun giveaway going on right now until July 8, 2026. All these prizes are going to one of you guys, and it is free to enter, or you can pick up additional entries by getting a combo pack. Just go to WHITLEYAUTOWORKS.com and click that shining face you see in front of you holding the big combo pack. You'll get one free entry, and you'll get an additional entry for each combo pack you buy. You'll get a sticker and a random pearl. And if you want to enter for free, guys, just go to the main page, click the giveaway button, put your information in with the email and name and everything, and you automatically enter for free. Any support you give is greatly appreciated. And now let's get into the episode. What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today I've got an awesome new RUST-OLEUM color shift, one I didn't even know existed until I saw it the other day at the Walmart, and I was like, you know what, we've already done all the other ones, might as well break out this last final one as far as the color shifts go, and yeah, see what it does. So without further ado, let me show you what I got. So this right here is RUST-OLEUM Color Shift Lime Lagoon, guys. Looks kind of blue-green. I really don't know, but we're going to find out today because I got some speed shapes here ready to go. All different colors. We got gloss white, phantom gray, coral, apple red, sun yellow, gloss orange, Ford blue, gloss grape, and hunter green. And then I've got a fender over there just itching for some color shift in black because they always say apply it over a black base. So we're going to see it over every color today. So let's get these speed shapes outside, guys, and we'll shoot some of this RUST-OLEUM Lime Lagoon. Alright, guys, so Lime Lagoon, a very much green blue hue dominated color shift. Out in the sun, man, it is trippy over all these colors. A very vivid looking flake, and it is white particle, guys, so it does kind of disappear when the sun's off of it. I'll try and show you guys, but then when you get the sun at the right angle, well, that color shift really kind of comes alive, and you see the blue-green nature of it all. Over all the colors, it looks really cool. But over this green right here, it's the most, evenly matched. And then you get some wild color shifts over the grape and blue, even over the orange. And it stands out really good over yellow, which is very surprising. And then you got the red, the coral, the phantom gray, and even the white. So very, very sparkly, very, very green to blue hues. And a very cool color shift. Let's take it inside and let's see what we got. Alright, guys, now that we got the speed shapes in the shade, you can really see how this color shift looks. And man, very, very interesting. It's definitely a gold to green to blues at certain angles, and I guess that's the Lime Lagoon of it all. Over the lighter colors, well, you can see that gold to green to blue sheen. And, it picks it up pretty well on camera from what I can tell. Yellow's a little bit tricky, but you do kind of see it at certain angles. And then over the darker colors, well, you get full transparency of that color shift, and it does complement the green very well. Any kind of color shift with green in it is really cool over green. Kind of candifies it almost a little bit, but very cool color combinations over each one. Which one's your favorite? Alright guys, so this Lime Lagoon right here actually had some really cool color effects over all those different speed shapes. I can't decide which one's my favorite color. Leave it in the comments, let me know which one you like. But now we're going to shoot it over a black base because that's primarily what it's meant for. I'm going to do a couple coats over it, and then in true Whitley AutoWorks fashion, we're going to hit it with some 2K clear, take it out in the sun and see what we got. So let me put my mask on and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so this is a very trippy color shift, and the only way to really show you how trippy it is to actually have it on its side, because man, look at that blue shifting. And then when you come around to the front, you get the greens at the hard angles, and then I'll set it back up straight forward so you can see it too, but that's pretty crazy. So this thing definitely has some sparkles to it, guys. And then of course you see the black base up underneath it. See how you can actually see it at certain angles? That's because it's a white particle, so it almost acts like a ghost pearl, guys. So very, very cool effects over all of it. And even at some kind of weird angles like that, you see that blue come through. So a very trippy but cool Lime Lagoon Rust-OLEUM color shift. What do you guys think? Wow, Rust-OLEUM color shift in the can, Lime Lagoon, guys. A very reptilian looking color shift. We had blues, we had greens, we had golds, and it really pops out in the sun. I tried to get as much footage as I could for you guys so you could really get a full effect of what this color shift can do, because it can do a lot, and it's just a very crazy color shift. But hey, it ain't up to me, it's up to you guys. Rate it in the comments, 1 through 5, 1 through 10. Leave me a quick like, guys. It helps me out with the YouTube's crazy algorithm and an engagement, so I can continue to spread out and make these crazy cool videos showcasing different products for you guys. And I always enjoy doing it. As far as the clear I used today, it was Finish One FC720 clear, guys. It's a great clear to use with Rust-OLEUM paint jobs. I haven't had any issues with it. And the paint gun and my setup was an Intercraft D1 Drizzle paint gun. I shot at 28 PSI wide open trigger, and it was a 1.3 tip. So that just shows you what I used today in case you want to replicate it, you know, full scale, or just do a spray out yourself at the house. And as always, guys, I appreciate you for always sticking with me and watching these videos. If you're interested in the Lime Lagoon or any of the products I used today, links will be in the description. And if you can't find it, click the link that says As Seen on YouTube. It'll take you to my Amazon store where you can purchase everything for the same price I get it for. And they will give me a small kickback, so it goes to help out the channel. But I appreciate you guys for watching today. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.